Ooh, look at the neutral. This was missing a screw. I hope this black is not too messed up. Oh, we have to go to Home Depot. Okay. Hopefully we can find some electrical tape. Oh, let's put that on there. Really good. That's why we changed it. Look, 8 out. We're gonna put this on.
It's go to where you're.
Get the wire straight. And cut some of this off.
I'm gonna go ahead and bring down to the studio.
Okay.
I put the little other shoes that I have.
Nice little hook. And check out this new outlet I'm putting on. We always say the gold side going to hot. See how that's gold going to hot wire, and the silver going to white wire. This new one got 2 silvers. So the way you can tell which one is the hot, remember the neutral always had the ground on that side. Or you can look at these 2 eyes right here. See how this is smaller? That'll let you know that's the hot side, and this is the neutral side. Neutral always had the ground and a longer line right here, and the hot always had the shorter line. Look at that. You know that had to get changed out. So you know when you see that, man, I see that, oh, that gotta get changed. I can't help it. We're electricians, we can't help it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this up. It's kind of long. We're gonna shorten these hooks up. Usually I like the pigtail, I don't have any wire. So this is all we have to deal with. We can wire a house up with this, man. This is all you need. Need a nose, something to cut the wire. Let's go. Okay, got both of them on. Both wires on, both neutrals on, both hots. Just screw it back in, turn it on. All right, turn it on. Huh, it didn't trip. That's a good sign.